Are you tired of scratchy, uneven finishes that ruin your woodworking projects? Picking the best random orbital sander can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. Today, we're breaking down the top 12 random orbital sanders, covering motor power, speed, dust collection, and value, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. Let's get into it. Number 1. Bosch ROS 20 VSC Random Orbital Sander. The Bosch ROS 20 VSC is our top pick for anyone chasing a flawless finish. It runs on a 2.5 ampere motor with variable speed from 7,500 to 12,000 RPM, giving you precise control over every pass. The soft grip ergonomic design keeps fatigue low, even on long sanding sessions. What really sets it apart is the Bosch microfilter dust canister, which traps fine particles incredibly well. The hook and loop disc system makes swapping sandpaper quick and painless. If smooth, professional-level results are your priority, this is the one to beat. Next up, the DecoPro Random Orbital Sander punches well above its price tag. It packs a 3 ampere motor with speeds up to 13,000 RPM, making it one of the most powerful budget options on this list. The compact palm grip body keeps it easy to maneuver on tight surfaces. The built-in dust collection box handles cleanup reasonably well for the price. It won't match premium brands in fit and finish, but for the power you're getting, it's hard to argue. A solid budget high power pick that gets the job done. Coming in at number 3, the Black Decker BDERO 100 Orbital Sander is the go-to sander for anyone just starting out. The 2 ampere motor runs at a steady 12,000 RPM, which is more than enough for light sanding, paint prep, and DIY furniture projects. It's lightweight, compact, and dead simple to operate. Changing sandpaper is quick thanks to the hook and loop pad, and the integrated dust system keeps your workspace reasonably tidy. You won't find variable speed here, but that simplicity is the whole point. A fantastic first sander for beginners on a budget. Here's a name you might not know, the Dongcheng Random Orbital Sander, but it's worth your attention. It carries a 3 ampere motor with variable speed, making it capable enough for woodworking, paint prep, and finishing work. It even ships with multiple sanding discs included, adding extra value right out of the box. The dust bag does a decent job keeping debris contained, and the build quality is better than most expect at this price. It's a lesser-known contender that holds its own against bigger brand names. A true value sleeper if you're willing to take a chance on it. Halfway through our list, the Makita BO5041K Random Orbital Sander stands out for its exceptional ergonomics and control. The 3 ampere motor covers a wide speed range of 4,000 to 12,000 RPM, giving you the flexibility to handle both delicate finishing work and aggressive stock removal. The dual palm plus front handle grip is a serious comfort advantage on longer jobs. The built-in dust collection system performs reliably, and the variable speed dial is smooth and easy to adjust on the fly. Makita's build quality speaks for itself here. This feels like a pro tool without the pro-level price tag. Best ergonomic control pick on our list. Number 6. DeWalt DWE 6423 Random Orbit Sander. For the pros or serious DIYers, the DeWalt DWE 6423 is the workhorse you can count on every day. The 3 ampere motor runs between 8,000 and 12,000 RPM with low vibration, protecting your hands during extended use. The textured grip and sealed switch add durability that holds up in tough job site conditions. Dust management is flexible. You get both a dust bag and vacuum adapter compatibility, so you can dial in the setup that works for your shop. It's smooth, reliable, and built to last. The best pro-grade all-rounder on this list, no question. Number 7. Skill SR 211601 Random Orbital Sander. Don't overlook the Skill SR 211601. It just might have the best dust collection of any sander at this price. The variable speed 2.8 ampere motor delivers smooth performance across different sanding tasks, and the low vibration design keeps your hands comfortable. But the real star here is the Cyclonic X-Flow dust box. Unlike standard dust bags, the Cyclonic design spins debris into the collection box more efficiently, so it stays cleaner longer. It's a thoughtful feature you'd normally pay more for. If dusty workshops are your biggest headache, this is your best bet. Number 8. Bosch GET 635 5N Random Orbital Sander. When only the best will do, the Bosch GET 6355N is in a class of its own. The massive 6.5 ampere motor and dual mode operation, random orbit plus turbo direct drive, give you raw power that handles heavy stock removal like nothing else on this list. This is a tool built for serious woodworking professionals. It's vacuum compatible for cleanup flexibility, and the variable speed control gives precision even at higher output levels. Yes, it costs more, but if you need that kind of power, there's no substitute. The best heavy-duty premium pick for demanding applications. Number 9. Haichika Random Orbital Sander. If you're a weekend warrior who doesn't want to spend big, the Haichika Random Orbital Sander is a reasonable pick. The 2.5 ampere motor hits speeds up to 13,000 RPM, which is impressive for the price. It's compact and lightweight, so it won't wear you out on small projects. It ships with sanding discs included, which is a nice touch for a tool at this price point. The dust collector box is basic but functional. Nothing fancy, just a cheap, capable DIY sander that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Number 10. Bosch ROS10 Random Orbit Sander. The Bosch ROS10 keeps things simple, and that's exactly its appeal. A 2.5 ampere motor running at a fixed 12,000 RPM gives you consistent, reliable performance without any complicated settings to fiddle with. The compact Bosch build quality feels premium in hand, even at this lower price point. The dust canister does a good job trapping particles, and the hook and loop pad makes disc changes fast. It's not loaded with features, but you're getting the Bosch name and engineering at an accessible price. A great affordable brand name option for budget-conscious buyers. Number 11. Metabo HP SV13 YST Random Orbit Sander. The Metabo HPT SV13 YST is the pick if comfort is your number one priority. At 2.8 ampere with a speed range of 9 to 13,000 RPM, it covers plenty of ground for everyday sanding tasks. The soft elastomer grip and lightweight construction make it noticeably easier to hold for long stretches. The included dust bag handles debris collection well enough for most home shop scenarios. It's not the most powerful or feature-packed option, but it earns its spot for how good it simply feels to use. A comfort-focused sander you'll actually enjoy picking up. Closing out our list, the Galax Pro Random Orbital Sander is one of the most affordable entry points you'll find. The 2.5 ampere motor reaches speeds up to 13,000 RPM, and it ships with sanding discs so you can start right away. For casual home use, it checks all the basic boxes. The dust collector is straightforward, and the compact design is easy to handle for smaller hands or tighter spaces. Don't expect it to compete with mid-range or pro tools, but as an entry-level Amazon bargain, it delivers real value. A solid buy if you're brand new to sanding. And that's our complete breakdown of the best random orbital sanders available today. If I had to highlight two standouts, the Bosch ROS 20 VSC wins for finish quality, and the DeWalt DWE 6423 is the one to beat for everyday pro use. Check the links in the description below to grab the best current prices. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to Tools Query, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review. Which sander caught your eye? Drop a comment below, I'd love to know. See you in the next one.